Good morning. We've just driven to the village of Brailes. Brailes is in Warwickshire, in the Cotswolds. This morning we're going on a 6-mile walk around Brailes countryside.
There, Brailes Village Hall.
Oh, we'll have a look.
The starting point.
And we're going to go on a 6-mile walk, find some geocaches and enjoy the countryside in the Cotswolds. Cotswold stone.
That's your house, isn't it?
We'll see a lot of this today. Rewarded today by some stunning views. It's lovely. Some stunning views on this January morning. So far, this has been a really nice walk. We're about halfway, so we have about another 3 miles to go. And now we're heading up Braille Hill. There was a hunt earlier. There was loads of people on the horses with dogs. And this one has got lost. But he's not the only one, we've seen a few of them. I think they're waiting to hear a whistle and they're going to follow the whistle. Poor thing. Oh, it's his mate. So there was another one, didn't I? Dogs to be on leads, unless you're that bloodhound. I mentioned Cotswold stone at the beginning of this video. The Cotswolds is renowned for like cottages and buildings being made out of Cotswold stone, and it's really quite picturesque when you go into a lot of the villages in and around this area. It's very beautiful. one large jig. We're heading back into Brailes. The village is just directly in front of us there. Our car is parked over there, the village hall, and we're very nearly back. Nice hike of 7 miles? 7.5 miles. So, it's been a nice walk, lovely views. See you next time.